Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share a case study on a car we're working on today. This particular vehicle, and we have got a repair solution already in our system for this particular problem, the Audi Q5 2017 with the 3-litre CWG D 6-cylinder turbo direct petrol engine, and it came in for coolant loss, or low on coolant. Warnings coming up on it. It is one we've done a case study on before, but in this particular case, it's a particular check valve which we've got here, which lives in just in the engine down in the bottom here behind the air intake. There is where the valve lives, and that particular valve fails under certain conditions. It only opens vacuum. It's an electrical switching vacuum, which then goes to the water pump. So the water pump has a vacuum control in it as well to increase, decrease the flow and or change direction of the flow. So it's an important valve. These obviously suffer from it. We've got that repair solution already been put up in our system, but this is an identical model with an identical problem that we've had before. So I just wanted to highlight that the complex thermal management issues on these later model vehicles. We've got to have a really good understanding of how the thermal management works, under what conditions certain things are happening with the vehicle, and a lot is happening on these vehicles in the cooling system or thermal management of the car. So one to keep in mind, as I say, there is a repair solution already on the website, so hopefully that's helping you. If you are a TAP member, make sure you're utilising all those repair solutions. It may be able to help you out at some stage. If you're not a member and you'd like access to all these repair solutions that we've got on our website, go to tap.net.au and join up, and click on the join up button now. See you next time.